All right, I'm going to try something here. This six cell lithium polymer battery. I left it plugged into this overnight, and now I have a dead cell. As you can see, wow, that's really hard to see, but let's go back here, see if we can do this. There we go. So sometimes one cell's dead, sometimes I've seen 4 of them dead, like they just don't register. So I've brought another charger up, and so I've got it set up for basically lead acid charging at 0.1 amp, 10 volts, because I'm currently at 5.7. I could probably do a little less. Let's do a little less. And so I've got my balance lead plugged in here so I can watch what's going on, and then I'm going to start charging over here. And so that's going to start sending juice into these cells. Hey, look at that, it came back. Maybe I can oh, it's gone again. Maybe I can recover this battery without catching it on fire. So we're at 8.88 volts. At 9.8, I'll need to, yeah, see, it thinks it's at full charge. All right, so let's change it to 10 volts. Again, starting to see some life. All right, let's try this again. 12 volts. Okay, here we go again. Just little by little, trying to give it some life. Hoping it'll start taking the charge and keep it. I think once it gets to a certain voltage, his buddies will help him out to stay alive. This may not be a great pack in the future, like that cell may be damaged, but at least I can use it, hopefully, for a little bit. We'll see. We're at a AA cell voltage now, a little over. I mean, it keeps going up, that's good. It's more than a volt behind its buddies, but we'll see what happens. It'll be worth it, I think. Hey, it's only 1 volt behind now. It's catching up. That's good. Let's see what happens. All right, you know what? Let's just see if this dude. Let's see if we can plug him in here now. And just charge it with this charger. No, not a power supply. I tried it with power supply in here, and it just wouldn't do it. Let's try to get up to storage voltage. Let's go down. I don't want to put much power in it. I want it to just kind of slowly build up. Only half a volt away from everybody now. Looks like it's balancing out quite a bit better now. Still got a long way to go. We're still in the scary world. Anyway, I'll come back later and let you know what happens. Hey y'all, Curtis from the future here. Look at this, it worked. Now please, please, please like and subscribe. Comment anything you want, but do something.